decomposing animals. So maybe, can you tell us a few of maybe the nightmare stories of what you put these poor actors through?
Well, they could probably tell you better than I, but there was one particular 36-hour period where they didn't leave the house at all, night and day and night again.
Yeah, but we ate dinner tonight.
Of course, in those days we didn't have any LED lights, so they're nice hot lights, cooking bones and half decomposing animals.
Cooking actors.
No lights, no AC, no fun probably for a month-long shoot.
Right. In August.
So Alan, you said you were from New York City. How did you end up in the middle of Texas for a film like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
I took the wrong train. I used to take the D train to get to City College. I got on the F train and I just woke up. I was in Austin, and I always wanted to see a foreign country. I'm just kidding about that. Don't turn on me. And so I mean, it was a lark. And then I met Toby when I was doing social work, and that's how I got into his movie Eggshells. So that's my beginning. And then when they wrote Chainsaw, I guess they liked what I did in Eggshells. So they were kind enough to ask me to do the part of Jerry in Chainsaw. Oh yeah, Kim and I are in the movie Eggshells, which hopefully will come out at some point on DVD. And if it comes out, you don't want to miss it. It's a really good show. And you see a lot of Kim you just see a lot of Kim.
Well, do any of you guys have, any of the actors have any particular horrifying moments from the production that you want to share with the audience? Or wonderful, also. We'll take wonderful stories too.
Well, there was a time my neighbor came home early. Is that what the kind of thing you're talking about? Oh.
Marilyn, is there a bit? You were screaming throughout the last 45 minutes of this movie. Yeah, give it up for the undisputed champ.
The reason why I enjoyed screaming so much and I never lost my voice is everything in the script, the writer, the director, the actors tortured me. The only way I could get back at them was with screaming. Like when I was tied to the chair with the little hands and they're shooting me and Ed's leering at me and the chair goes over on the floor, the first thing they said is, "Damn, she went out of the shot." And they went, "Oh, I guess we got enough." And everybody gets up and goes to the next shot. Well, I'm still with a dirty, filthy rag in my mouth with that horrible rope taped to hands and feet. And I start, moving, and someone says, "Oh yeah, someone pick up the girl." Really, I'm not kidding. So screaming was the best way I could really get even. So when they yelled cut, I didn't hear it. When they yelled cut again, I still didn't hear it. And then they just say, "Shut the up." So that part was the only enjoyable experience I had. Kim, do you have any good stories?
Marilyn, I'm wondering why you're willing to share the stage with me after that experience. There are a lot of horror stories. One I like to tell is about the chicken. Of course, if there are any PETA members in the audience, I might be in real trouble, but we murdered a lot of chickens during the course of that production. They couldn't take the heat. But this is an indication of the kind of budget we had. Every morning after the chicken died the night before, I had to show up at the slaughterhouse at the end of Red River Street and do a Rocky Balboa chasing the chicken down out behind the slaughterhouse. That way we could get them for 50 cents a piece.
Well, I don't want to hog all the questions, so is any questions from the audience? It's going to be difficult to see from the back, so if you got something, just go ahead and